Kimchi fried rice is one of my favorite ways to make fried rice. You are set if you have some leftover rice, kimchi, and a few simple ingredients. This is incredibly tasty and you only need 12 minutes. We have 1 cup of homemade aged kimchi. To make super tasty kimchi at home, check out the video right here. You can also replace it with store-bought kimchi. Use kitchen shears to cut the kimchi into small pieces to avoid staining a cutting board. Next, dice the onion. Onion adds sweetness and aroma to the dish. Chop the scallions. It gives freshness and color to the dish. Cut the ham steaks into cubes. You could also replace it with pork belly, bacon, or any leftover meat. In a pan over high heat, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once it is hot, add the onion and ham. Stir fry until aromatic for about 1 minute. Then add the kimchi and stir fry until fragrant. Add in the rice and mix everything. Click on the video right here to see how I made the steamed rice. Toss in the kimchi juice. It adds some moisture to the dish. Gochujiang or hot pepper paste. It adds umami and slightly sweetness. It's available in all Korean supermarkets and also on Amazon. Add a pinch of salt. Stir until well coated for about 1 minute. Now we're gonna add the scallions. Preheat a cast iron pan. Add the sesame oil to enhance overall flavor and transfer the kimchi fried rice into it. This is optional. In a small pan over medium heat, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Crack the eggs inside and cook until the bottom is set. Season it with a pinch of salt. Place the egg over the kimchi fried rice and garnish the kimchi fried rice with sesame seeds and roasted seaweed flakes for extra flavor. This is optional. It's available in all Korean supermarkets and also on Amazon. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. Leave a comment below with your favorite add-ins for fried rice. If you like to make super tasty egg fried rice in just 5 minutes, click on the video right here. This is absolutely amazing. I love it. All the delicious goodness in just one bite. So good. I hope that you also enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow and step-by-step Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!